Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Candy Crush-like game. First, you will need to define the fundamental Match 3 mechanics, where players swap adjacent pieces to form lines of 3 or more. Next, design your game board, often a grid of 8 by 8 or 9 by 9 cells. Then, create your initial visual assets for at least 5 distinct candy types. Finally, establish a game state manager to track player progress and scores throughout the game. Now, let's dive into the core game logic. You'll need to implement the functionality for players to swap 2 adjacent game pieces, ensuring only valid moves are allowed. Develop a robust system to detect horizontal and vertical matches of 3 or more identical pieces. Once matches are found, remove those pieces from the board and trigger new pieces to fall from the top, filling the empty spaces. Don't forget to handle cascading matches, where new falls create additional matches automatically. To keep players engaged, design multiple levels, each with increasing difficulty and unique objectives, such as clearing jelly or collecting specific items. Introduce special candy types, like striped candies that clear an entire row or column, or wrapped candies that explode in a 3x3 area. Implement powerful power-ups that players can earn or purchase. Develop a comprehensive scoring system that rewards larger matches and impressive combo chains, encouraging strategic play. Finally, focus on the user experience and polish. Design an intuitive user interface for your menus, score displays, and level progression screens. Integrate engaging sound effects for matches, swaps, and power-up activations, along with pleasant background music. Add captivating visual effects for matches, explosions, and special candy activations to enhance player satisfaction. Thoroughly test your game for any bugs, and carefully balance the gameplay difficulty to ensure a fun and challenging experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.